guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a get productive with me vlog. Now I haven't done this type of video before. I always do like a day in my life which are productive, but get productive with me is a new concept seen other creators do as well, so I thought it would be a great idea to do this. So let's start by making our to-do list first. The first thing that I have to do is make a presentation for my entrepreneurship class, which is due today, so I have to do it and send it today. The next thing is to post reels. Now I post reels every single day, so if you aren't following me on my Instagram, then you definitely should. The third thing that I need to do is study maths. Then I need to plan videos for Sam Study Station, think of ideas, script them down. Then I have to make a strip for one of the brands that I'm collaborating with. And lastly, I have to reply to all the comments that you guys make. So guys, now that I've completed my presentation and I have posted the reels, now it's time to study. So I have mathematics over here. Now this is my final year of university and I need to like scale up basically, so that's why I need to study. So let's get started. This is maths that I'm solving, and if you know me, you know that maths isn't my strongest suit, so I need to study for maths. So I was solving maths and I got stuck at a question. Now this can happen to anyone, and the best form of studying that I think is self-study, because this way I can analyze what things I'm good at and what I'm not good at. So in order to have a strong foundation, it is very important that you do self-studying. Now there are also some mistakes which people make while self-studying, which includes like skipping on some important topics just because you don't understand it. And for those questions and situations, just like I'm stuck at this question right here, what I like to do is I like to use this app called Philo. Now I have already told you about Philo app. It's an amazing app. Now what you can do is just simply click the picture of the question that you are stuck at or have any query, and you can connect with an expert tutor live within 60 seconds at any time of the day.
Hello? Sam?
Sir, I need help with this question. Now they will explain the whole thing as per your understanding speed, and most importantly, this is going to be a one-on-one learning session, so you can directly ask them any queries that you have. You will be able to ask unlimited questions from them, and it's also great for any competitive exams or CBSE board exams or any exams basically. It's an amazing thing, so make sure that you go and download Philo. I'll link it in the description box below. So let's start out by making the presentation first. So whenever I have to make my presentation, I start out by making an outline of the topics that I want to cover. So I'll write all the headings down, which includes the introduction, the bibliography, and everything else that is needed in the presentation. So here I am just doing that by researching on my laptop and writing them down on my phone so that I can transfer it later back to my laptop. I know it's a little bit tedious work, but it definitely helps. Next, I start by making out my presentation, which means adding all the text and the graphics. So there's so many websites where you can get cool text. If you follow me on Instagram at Sam Study Station, you would definitely know all these little hacks which I always share on that page on Instagram, as well as you can check out its YouTube channel where I post shorts as well as full-length videos. So make sure that you go and subscribe. And all these things can take a little while to get into, and make sure that you keep your slides aesthetic, because as I say that our eyes eat before our stomach does, it's the same thing. Because if your video is appealing and if your presentation is appealing, then your teacher will get more impressed, if that makes sense. A really good tip though. So once my presentation is completed, what I do is I write the notes so that I can speak it in the class presentation when I am going to present it. So I just write the notes on my laptop or on my phone or on a paper, whatever the case is, and it's a really good hack. So that's done. Now we can save this presentation and then just forward it to my teacher. So this is the reel and I just have to post it. So yeah, now it's posted. These are all my recent reels, so make sure that you go and check them out.
2,000 years later.
So guys, now it's 5 p.m. and it's time to post another reel and reply to all the comments and DMs that you send me on Instagram, on YouTube, on email. So this is a little bit of tedious work, but I still try to reply to everyone if it's not a hate comment, otherwise don't reply. I think it's really good to connect with you also. You all can also send me a DM on my Instagram, which is at samraddhi.fanmail, or simply just leave a comment in the comment section and still I'll reply. And then my mom also got me samosa, so this is the samosa that I have. Quite good. And now I'll simply be replying to all the messages and eating my samosa. So guys, it's much later now. It's around like 6 p.m. So it's an hour later. And now I have to make the script and send it to the brand. And I have to write the script for Sam's radio station as well. So these are the two tasks that we have for today. So I also got this notebook from Amazon. So I'm just unboxing it right here. It's this very like cute looking pink colored notebook. And it's blank from the inside, so basically it has white plain blank pages. Amazing. Link in the description. So guys, now that will be all for this video because I have done everything on the list today. I have made reels, I have scripted all the content that was necessary, sent it to the brands, and also like brainstorm ideas for Sam's radio station. I've done it all today and now I'm tired, so I'll just go and rest. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you also get inspired from this video and make your own to-do list and get productive as well. Thank you so much. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, follow me on my Instagram samraddhi and follow Sam's study station on both Instagram and YouTube. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.